Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. Check out these headlights from Fantelli. We were needing replacement headlights for my 2015 Dodge Durango, and I'm so happy I found these from Fantelli. These are plug and play. Some of the features that I absolutely love is how easy they were to install, the high quality beam pattern. No matter the weather condition, I can drive safely because these brighten the entire road with no glare to oncoming traffic. My previous headlights were yellow, they were dingy, I did not like them, but I love how these are a bright, white, crisp light. They're waterproof, and these are the third generation lights, so the best quality Fantelli has to offer. They're made with top grade CSP LED chips, and they provide the brightest headlight you can have and much better than traditional halogen bulbs. I'm really impressed. If you are looking for a high quality, bright white light, then try these. You won't be disappointed, and you'll be happy you got rid of those yellow dingy lights as well. And that's my point of view.